you all, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, welcome to All Things Burn. I appreciate you clicking on this video and checking this channel out. If you are a current subscriber, thank you so much for coming back by and checking out this video. I hope you all are doing well. I hope your families are doing well, and I hope you're living your best blessed life, you all. So today, you all, I have a sponsored video from Read Your Heart Jewelry. They reached out to me and wanted me to try a few of their pieces of jewelry. And of course, I said yes, because I absolutely love jewelry. Like, I have so much jewelry, but these pieces, I haven't seen them yet, so we're going to see them together. But these pieces of jewelry are like special pieces of jewelry. This type of jewelry, Read Your Heart Jewelry, they specialize in capturing the most precious moments of your life in a jewelry piece. So whether you're buying it for yourself, for a loved one, or like I said, gifting it, it just captures like your precious memories, and you are putting it into jewelry and either wearing it or giving it out. So we're gonna get into this jewelry. I have the bag. I just got the bag like, I think it was 2 days ago, you all. And I did open this part, but then I was getting ready to open up the jewelry and I was like, no, I want to do it on camera. So we're going to get out everything that's in this bag. They sent me over 3 pieces of jewelry. And their prices range from $30 and up. They have some pieces that are $200 and more. So, but $30 and up is their price range. And all their jewelry is sterling silver, like real sterling silver, you all. So first of all, what was in the box, well, the package was this bag. Let me pull this out. Put this jewelry to the side. Let me just move this stuff over here, you all. And so I have 3 pieces of jewelry wrapped really nice. But what was in the bag? It just says Read Your Heart. And I think they gave me it looks like a shopping bag in case I want to gift it to someone else. So that is really neat. So let's pull this out and let's see. Oh, this is a beautiful bag. It says Read Your Heart, and then it has their website on it. So, but I will be putting all of the information down in the description box below. I have a discount code for you all that they gave me, BURN15, so you can save 15% off on your purchase. Christmas is coming up, you all. Maybe you have an anniversary, a birthday. Yeah, so this is a really cute bag. I'm loving the bag because this is my happy color, y'all. See my nails? But yeah, I love this color. And almost reminds me of like Tiffany, like Tiffany's jewelry at Tiffany. So I like the bag. Let's see what else. Oh, so they gave me, because I have 3 different pieces of jewelry. So, okay. So let's just see what's in here. I think it's, oh wow. Beautiful. Hold on one second, you all. Okay, you all. So these 3 jewelries came with 3 different envelopes. The kind of jewelry this is, let me pull out this card. This is, I'm gonna put the card right here, and then I'm going to read it. Comes with a warranty, which is amazing. It says GRA Moissanite, the new cutting process of GRA Moissanite. The diamond cut surface is dazzling. Moissanite inherits the excellent Belgian cutting craftsmanship and experiences excellent quality. And then you have a warranty ID number on your card. So it says to make sure you keep this card with this envelope when you get your jewelry in case something goes wrong with your jewelry, but it should not. And each one of my pieces of jewelry has its own warranty. So that is really, really good. And it has just like a welcome on the envelope, welcoming you to this jewelry and thanking you for the purchase. And it also came with a cloth to clean your jewelry. So I'm loving that the cloth is that teal blue, and it says Read Your Heart silver polish cloth. That's what it says. So that is nice. So, and it also came with a it says record your memories, and it's just a booklet of how the diamonds are made. Yeah, moissanite diamonds. So yeah, just a booklet explaining things to you all, you know, read it at your leisure. So now that we've gotten all of that stuff out of the way, let's open up our first piece, you all. I think I'm going to open up I believe this is the necklace because this is a long box. So let's open up this necklace. And let me just pull up my notes to remember what necklace I have. Let's see. Okay, I have the sapphire. No, I have the Solitaire Moissanite heart shaped sterling silver necklace pendant, and this costs $99.95 for this necklace right here. Oh my goodness, I'm loving the packaging. Ooh, Read Your Heart. Beautiful. I can't wait to open this. Oh no, this is the tennis bracelet. Okay, sorry y'all, that's the tennis bracelet. Let me find the tennis bracelet, y'all. Okay, so this is the classic shiny tennis bracelet that only costs $29.95. It's on sale now for $29.95. It was $54.45. Ooh, this is gorgeous. I thought for sure this was the necklace because the box was long. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, let me get this out. Oh my goodness, this thing is gorgeous. This is absolutely beautiful. Look how those moissanite diamonds are sparkling, you all. I have to put it up close so you all can actually see the sparkle on that. Oh my goodness, let me put it on. And let me get it closed and put it on so you all can see it. This is beautiful. I am really loving this. Of course, you all, I only have one hand to work with, so I don't have anybody here to help me put this on. So just give me a couple of seconds and let me try to get this clasp on top of this hook, and then I will show you all how this looks. Okay, let's close it. So you can put it on by yourself. Ooh, oh my Lord, y'all, look at that. That is beautiful. And I don't know what size I actually ordered. I'll put it right here, which one I ordered. That is gorgeous, you all. Look at that. That is a beautiful, beautiful tennis bracelet. Like I said, the camera's not doing it any justice. This thing is shining like new money, y'all. It is absolutely gorgeous. And the fact that it's on sale for $29.95, that's amazing. That is amazing. So I'm really, really, really loving that. So let's go on to the next piece, you all. Yeah, we're gonna go on to the next piece. Ooh, this is so pretty. I don't even want to take it off. You know what, y'all? I don't think I'm going to take it off. I'm going to leave it on. I'm going to leave it on. I think I'm going to leave it on. Oh my goodness. I'm loving the packaging. It's so beautiful. Okay, next. Let's see what this is. I'm not even going to guess this time, y'all. We're just going to open it and see. Let's see. I kind of think, it's a ring. And I said I wasn't going to guess, right? But I think it's a ring. Once again, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, it looks like Tiffany's. Wow. Ooh, so when I opened it up, it's in a plastic. It is a ring. It's in plastic. So we're gonna get it open. And this ring is, let's see. This ring is the Bypass Graduated Moissanite Half Eternity Wedding Band Ring. And this one was, well, this one costs $149.95. It's on sale now. It was $214.21. So I bought this to wear in case I don't want to wear my real stuff, going places or whatever, and I don't want to like wear mine. I can wear this as a replacement. And so I'm going to take off my real rings, and I'm going to put this one on, and we're going to see how this looks, just in case I don't want to wear my real stuff. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Oh my Lord, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. And it's considered a wedding band, you all. Beautiful. I'm loving it. Like I said, the camera is not doing it any justice. Like, these diamonds are like popping, y'all. They are really popping. But that is gorgeous. I am loving it. So I'm going to leave this on. Let me put my real rings in this box so they don't get lost, y'all. And let's open up the next one, which I know is a necklace. Now, this is finally the necklace. This necklace is the Solitaire Moissanite heart-shaped sterling silver necklace pendant. And this is the one that's $99.95. Yeah, it's not on sale. Beautiful. Like I said, I'm so in love with this packaging, y'all. This packaging got me. And it also says read your heart. And let's see, it also has a little bag. It's in a little bag as well, but we're going to take it out of there, and we're going to put this necklace on. I'll show it to you first before I put it on. Let's get it out of this little bag. Even the little bag that they give you has read your heart. Really pretty. And this is the necklace. Oh wow, that is really, really pretty. That is really, really pretty. That is gorgeous, y'all. That is really gorgeous. That's the side of it. That's the front of it. And that is the chain. So let's try to put this on. And that is the connections in the back. Move back a little bit. So let me see, does this say read your heart? No, I don't know what that says. Let's put this on. Let's see. I tried not to put on any necklaces, any rings. You have two. You can put it there if you want it tighter, like that little bigger hole there, or you can put it at the end. But let's see if we can put it right there. Of course, I'm not. Give me a second, you all. Let me try to put this on. So I have it on, you all. It took me a minute to get it on, but I have it on. But let me just pull my shirt down a little bit so you can actually see it. It is really pretty. Like, it is really dainty and very, very pretty. So if you have on like a cocktail dress or a dress that you're wearing to church or something like that, or out to dinner, this would be a stunning piece. It's gorgeous. So I'm loving the ring. I'm loving the bracelet, and then the necklace is gorgeous, y'all. It is gorgeous. I'm loving it. So shout out to Read Your Heart Jewelry for sending me over these gorgeous pieces. I'm absolutely loving them. Like I said, I will put all of their information in the description box below with the discount code, so you can go over there and save 15% off of your order, you all. And oh my goodness, what can I say? But the jewelry is absolutely gorgeous. Like, and I'm not just saying that because they sent this over to me, y'all. These are some really nice pieces, and the packaging and everything. I'm loving everything about this. I'm loving everything about these, the packagings and stuff like that. Oh my goodness. And then you get a gift bag in case you want to gift it to someone, like one of these pieces, in case I want to gift it to someone. And yeah, the ring is beautiful. Oh my Lord, it's gorgeous. And the necklace is really pretty as well. Beautiful. And then this tennis bracelet, I think this is my favorite piece right here. This tennis bracelet, and the fact that it's only less than $30. What? That is beautiful. So once again, shout out to Read Your Heart Jewelry. Go over there on the website, you all. Do some Christmas shopping or some holiday shopping. Use my discount code, save some money. And yeah, I think you guys will be really, really pleasantly surprised with this jewelry and how it's made, how it feels. Like, you would never know that this bracelet did not cost like a couple of $1,000 or a couple of $100. It's like really nice, y'all. Like really, 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 really nice. So you all go continue to enjoy the rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. Go and be kind to someone. Continue to live your best blessed life. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all. Love y'all.